Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the Tron Network to your MetaMask wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and go to Google and then type in RPC URL Tron and then click enter. Then from here we want to click onto Tron mainnet RPC and chain settings. Then from here we'll see RPC server addresses here. Now we want to go ahead and copy the first address like so, Control C, and then from here we need to head over to MetaMask. So make sure you have MetaMask installed as an extension, and then click and open up MetaMask and sign in. From here, we want to click on the little logo at the top left hand corner, and then it'll say add a custom network. So go ahead and click on add a custom network. Where it says network name, go ahead and call it Tron. And then where it says default RPC URL, click on the drop down menu and it will say add RPC URL. Click onto that and then enter the full URL like so, and you can give it a name which is optional, and then go ahead and click on add URL.